The Durango had what, 144,000? It don't look bad at all up under here for 144,000 though.
I got ice.
Oil on the Durango. So got our oil here. We got our Mobile One full synthetic. We need 7 quarts of that. So the best deal is to go to Walmart and get that. Walmart did have the filter in stock, so it's gonna be the Mopar 339. That's the part number right there, if you can see it. Boom. Double check going on the Mopar site. I did get me some Rain Axe bug remover so I can fill up the thing. I bought these ramps off of Amazon, so they are 6-ton ramps, 12,000 pounds per ramp. And I also got these little plastic chucks to be on the bottom. This rubber plastic chuck, whatever you want to call it, on the bottom. That way I can put behind the tire or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these ramps and stuff set up and drive up on there and get this oil change. We'll put these behind the tires and we're good. Let's get to it. Oh yeah, I did put this back in here too. I did break the little clip here, but oh well. All right, let's take the cover off. Let's get to it. Here's the brand of the ramps. They're actually pretty good. I felt them turn a little bit, but the Durango is secure. They on the ramp. The tires are pretty wide, so I mean, yeah. But here's the brand. I'm going to use this box to catch the oil though. All right, so where the oil filter and everything is at, that's your oil pan right here. Let's see if I can get oil, the 7 quarts of oil, and your oil filter is right there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and start getting this oil drain. Hopefully I can get this on camera, y'all. So the filter that was on there was an Omni Parts filter. The part number right there. And I'm actually going back with Mopar. I didn't put this on here. It was on here from when I got it. Maybe the dealership put that on there. Not sure, but we're definitely going back with Mopar. So we're gonna put a Mopar filter back on here and get everything tightened up under here. As you can see, she's still dripping a little bit. Got a little bit left to go. 7 quarts, it's a lot of oil. But yep, we'll put y'all back on time now. this in the camera, but we got everything buttoned up. Next, we're gonna put our little thing back on top. Oil came out of this. Took the 407 quart. Put our little handy dandy button back in here. All right. Got that in. Think we good and on there now. Next up, I'm gonna fill up that reservoir over there. Steering wheel. All right, looks like we got it reset now. Let's start her up. All right. And we are complete.
This is a CountryBoyModz production.
All right, oil pressure's good. Put my seatbelt on. Our oil temp looking good. Thermostat looking good. Trans temp looking good. All right, we are Gucci, y'all. All right, let's check the last bit of it. Double check everything. Been a couple hours later. Hey, call that a wrap. See y'all later.